How to back up your WordPress site automatically. Do you worry about losing your hard work on your WordPress website? Website crashes, security breaches, or even a simple human errors happen. But losing everything, that's a nightmare no one wants. The solution: automatic backup. Imagine your website backing itself up regularly without even lifting a finger. Sounds great, right? It's easier than you think. First things first, go to WordPress dashboard. This is how the WordPress dashboard look like. And if you are new to WordPress, simply go to www.wordpress.com and log into your account. Then you will be directed to this type of interface, which is called My Home or a dashboard. Okay, let's dive into the topic again. So once you are in the dashboard, you can see a lot of options on your left hand side. These are the options. Now find the plugins in this option. Scroll down, you can see it over here. Tap on it. Now on the search bar, search for Updraft Plus. Tap on it. So this is how the Updraft Plus look like. Let's tap on it. I'm not using an upgraded plan right now. Mine is a free plan, so I can't install and activate it directly. However, I will guide you through the process about how we can install it and update it. If you are using an upgraded plan, you can see install button over here. Now tap on install button. After installing it, this will change to the activate. Then tap on activate and activate the plugin. Next, find Updraft Plus Backup in your setting menu. For that, you have to go to the settings over here. And after you have activated this plugin, you can see Updraft Plus somewhere over here. And after entering it, choose your backup schedule: daily, weekly. It depends upon how often you update your site. Then select where you want your backup stored: Google Drive, Dropbox, or even an email. After choosing the backup schedule, click on Save Changes, and that's it. Updraft Plus will now automatically back up your WordPress site based on your schedule. Do you feel more secure now? Automatic backups are lifesaver. What's your favorite backup strategy? Let me know in the comments. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.